Good evening and welcome to the channel. In tonight's episode, I'm going to be potting up these 2 grow bags, and if you'd like to see me do that, stay tuned. Before I get started, I'm going to start with fertilization. Normally I tell you guys what I'm using, but tonight I'm showing you. I use Garden Tone every time I plant any type of food. I also use Osmocote. I didn't bring the bag out. I did put it in a separate container. This is my Osmocote container, so that's what I'll be using as well. And of course, I'll be putting some azomite rock dust, just a little bit, just to sweeten it up. And I will also put some sardines. So let's get planting. These grow bags were a gift. I think they're 5-gallon, but don't hold me to that. I'm just going to take a few scooperfuls and put some fertilizer in each grow bag. This is what that looks like. And the same for this grow bag. Now for the 4-month slow release Osmocote, I'll put 1 scooper or 1 spoonful in each bag. Now a little bit of azomite rock dust. As you can see, I need to purchase some more. I think this is the last bit of what I have. I'll put just a little bit in the scooper and place roughly the same amount in each bag. And now it's time to mix it up. Can you see how deep and dark and rich looking this soil is? This soil was reclaimed from another huge pot that I had in the garden that was broken and was ready to go in the trash. It had a ton of worms in it, and you can tell by how deep and rich this soil is. Can you see it? Now, this is not a trowel, this is a scooper. And I'm using this scooper because there's a lot of soil in here. It's nice and loose and light, and it's easily fluffed up. So I just use this scooper to be able to move around the fertilizer, and it's working perfectly. The last item I'm going to add is my sardines and water. Just like every other pot in the garden, this has to have some fish in it too. Once I add the sardines and water, all I do is cover them up and start planting. Let's speed this up. This is that second grow bag. I'm losing light, so I have to make this quick. This is a dark green zucchini that I'm going to place in this bag. I've had my seeds soaking in water, so now it's time to plant them up. I will also be companion planting with these beautiful walking onions I received from Diva Jones 03. Thank you, Miss Diva. I greatly appreciate it, girl. I've never grown these before, so this should be interesting. So now I'm just going to place them in the soil. But first, I need to get rid of this gooseberry. It is not supposed to be in here. That thing just goes all over my garden. Once you plant gooseberries, you have them everywhere. Not complaining, I'm just saying. Observations. It is late in the evening, probably close to 9 o'clock. And I'm sure you guys can hear my neighbor's dog is going in. It's too late for all this noise. I'm trying to make sure that I am placing them root side down. I don't have my reading glasses, so this is a challenge. Now it's time to plant my 2 zucchini seeds. Just know that these are seeds that are good to grow in a container. So I'm not concerned about this container being too small. Now just know, like I mentioned, I don't have my reading glasses on, so I am going to lose sight of this seed. It's dark out here, y'all. I really can't see this seed over here. I'm struggling. I think it's right here. Don't judge me. I'm just going to add a little bit of soil. We'll take care of this problem. Lickety split. Every step I've taken in the first grow bag, I'm going to repeat in the second grow bag. But in this grow bag, I'm going to be planting some scallop squash. Both of these seeds indicate on the package that they are 50 days to harvest. So I have plenty of time to grow this seed. Now, this is a Peter Pan scallop squash. It's a hybrid. So I have my stake so I know what's in the bag, and I'm just going to continue to plant up. Just like my zucchini seed, I soak this seed as well. You already know it's late. I've lost track of these seeds, so I'm just going to brush the soil over the top. And in the morning, I'll add some wood chip to top these 2 bags off. So now it's time to water. I place my grow bags in a plastic bag to give them an opportunity to retain more moisture. Thank you for joining me in the garden this evening. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.